Good morning. While I'm waiting for my wife to finish her chiropractor appointment before we go for breakfast, I thought I'd share a few things with you about referral marketing. Now, we're not talking about MLM, so multi-level marketing, or about affiliate marketing. We're talking about referral marketing. Now, we all know that it's a lot easier to uh, sell or share something that we truly believe in, something that really brings great value. And it's a lot harder to sell something, as many of you may have found with MLM marketing, where you've got high-priced products where you make very little money, and you try to commit people to long-term repeat buying of products that really could be bought in a store at much lower prices. So when to get involved with referral marketing requires that you have a product or service where you can make a reasonable margin from it, and where you're not going to ruin your reputation by presenting it. What you're after with referral marketing is to be able to become the hero for the people around you, your family and friends, for referring a product or service that actually brings real value to their life. When you can do that and make money, then you've accomplished two things. You're improving your reputation, and you're finding ways to make money without giving up all your time. So how do you find a good product or service for referral marketing? Well, like everything, is when you have the words of the people who have bought the service and they're thrilled with that service, that you have something that you can actually take to the bank. When you have the testimony, when you have the referrals from people who have paid for services, then you know that that's something that's not going to come back to haunt you. So where do you get started? Well, it starts with a simple phone call. You can give me a call, use the link here below or above wherever you see the link, and schedule a free call, and we can talk about whether referral marketing is something that's for you. Now, that's just the tip of the iceberg. Referral marketing in some services that we offer actually creates an opportunity to make over $100,000 a year. Now, while referral marketing starts somewhere between $50 and $3,000 per referral, once you gain the skills that we use to deliver our products and services, then you can actually have an income of over $100,000 a year. So schedule that call. Let's chat and see what's possible for your future. Enjoy your day.